What's up, guys? Welcome back. Fantastic Four trailer dropped, I think. Ben Grimm, The Thing. Interesting design. They're kind of harking back to the more classic comic book style of him, I think. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, we're doing him in the sweater, like the cool Fantastic Four sort of uniform. Well, cool. Would that be the word? It's kind of cozy looking, you know, family orientated. Fantastic Four. So, big frown. Go with the frown first. Carve it around. Going that way, kind of a check mark. Same on the other side. Here, oh, boop. Kind of gets all craggly and stuff back here. Super small eyes compared to this frown. So we'll go just underneath here. And then his iris and a pupil. Relatively small. And on the other side, maybe it sticks out a bit more. Is that one higher up? Maybe it is. And what do I do? Bring a bit of balance. So that should be like, there's probably another little line there. And then we'll go up and around to this. This brow seems to be different, but we'll even it up. So, and then like that. Not bad. I saved it. I was worried this was going to be way bigger than this one. Okay, and he has a bag underneath his eyes. And then there's like a bump joining them. Might make this pupil bigger. Okay, I'll just thin that line a bit, sorry. Sorry, these markers tend to bleed. Now, so, like his nose is pretty close. So like we've got, like say, yeah, like there's like the bridge of his nose kind of here. Right, and then there's a little bump for the tip of it. And then his nostrils seem to just come around here. And around the side. Like that, like a little sort of boulder nose. Then we have like a craggly sort of cheek. Boom, boom. So we're going to give him a big wide mouth. And then a bit of a bottom lip. We will add all the cracks and stuff, but we'll just get the structure in first. So his chin is pretty close to this bottom lip. He's got like a real round head. Kind of comes out here to his cheek or jaw. And then his cheekbone sort of goes in that way. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and then his eyebrow kind of sticks out here, and joins his head. This actually comes down across his forehead. Like that. Do-do-do. And then top of his head kind of just goes this way. Kind of curves around the top here. So then we got like details. So like different cracking lines. You can kind of do this a bit random if you want it. Doesn't have to be exactly as I'm doing it. Because I'm sure even in the movie it probably changes, and or maybe it doesn't. Maybe the 3D modeling is so good these days that it's like consistently the same everywhere. Do-do-do. So I'm just kind of breaking up the space as I go, you know, just making it kind of look a bit rocky. The ones on his lip kind of like curve around his lip. There's like some on the forehead as well, and then the top of his head. Boom, boom. Just breaking it all up. Okay, you could texture it all up if you want, but that's pretty much his head. So now we got to do that cozy jumper. So I'm just going to keep calling it a cozy Christmas jumper because that's what it looks like. So it just bumps around, right? His neck, underneath his chin here. I'm kind of like exaggerating his musculature, but I do like the way he looks in this one. So he's huge, right? Obviously he's like a bulging rock monster. So his trapezius will be quite high up as well. And then his shoulder muscles curve, even though they're going down this way. Maybe that should go further, I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll see. We'll just go down that way, and then like his chest to be, maybe I will bring that out a bit. That looks okay. So chest muscle then, this side. It's all just like folding lines and fabric and stuff. All here. And his arm goes off that way. A lot of shadow in this area, so I'm not quite sure what way that goes, but that's his shoulder, and there's all these sort of fold lines on the sweater. Right, he's got a white line and sort of texture lines, and then there's the 4 that's here, but we've got a white sort of wool line that goes around. I'll just draw in lightly. Then we'll go down the arm with this. Okay, roughly that's what we're dealing with, and then we'll just add some details. So like the 4, there's like a circle. So it's like the crest. Do 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 do. Right, then we go 4 inside. He doesn't look happy about wearing this sweater, does he? I think that shoulder should be wider. Just trying to fix this. That looks okay. Maybe it's just the sweater thing's throwing me off. tidy up. Of course, it doesn't have to be a perfect circle because it is like on a jumper, so we call them jumpers. And then maybe I'll just go around again. And there's two little circles here. I think. Yeah, like just. Do. There's like some texture lines, wool texture lines that run down the whole of the front of his chest here and his stomach. And that's white, that's his bicep. Kind of all shadowy in there. Okay, Ben Grimm, the thing. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.